For us Filipinos, exiting the gray list means a simpler, more affordable financial system of transactions. As we continue this march forward, let us do so in the spirit of a bagong Pilipinas, a nation rooted in transparency, accountability, and inclusive development. I consider it an honor to be in a room with our esteemed Gawad ng Manlilikha ng Bayan awardees, for they are the living embodiments of our national heritage and pillars of our cultural identity. Kasama ng pagkilala sa ating mga katutubong manlilikha, binibigyang pugay din natin ang walang kapantay nilang kontribusyon sa atin pagkakakilanlan.